I'm coming to you with something special. I am super excited to be doing a mini makeover of my entryway, and I'm going to show you guys that in a little while. It's back there. But I had been thinking about doing my makeover for my entryway just because it's about to be holiday season. Even though we're in a pandemic, the normal family that comes over will be coming over for the holidays. And I want it to look nice on them as well as I always decorate for Halloween and Christmas and Thanksgiving. But this year I'm going to go a little bit slower. I'm not going to be decorating all crazy, but I did want to actually do a mini makeover, meaning I am going to make over my front entryway of the house. I'm going to take down all the decor that's there, and I'm just going to flip certain pieces that I already have around my house and bring them into the space just to make the space a little bit more inviting. I will be doing the painting. Now, the painting is probably the hardest part of it because that's what's going to take some time because I need to paint and I need to let it dry, and then I need to go over it again just to make sure that it is the color that I really want. So we're going to be doing that first step today, and I'm going to be filming completely. So if you're here along for the ride, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have an entryway. Show me a picture on Instagram. Give me some tips, some ideas, whatever you would like. Keep it positive. And yeah, let's get to it. So currently right now, this is my entryway from my kitchen. So this is what I'm going to be working on right now. I am going to paint this wall right here and this door. I'm going to paint this entire area right here. I am not going to paint this, that's why it's marked, because I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree paper that's going to be right here. And I may do that paper on either this accent wall back here or this one. So this is why I hate this, because when we walk in, the kids walk in, they're touching everything. It just kills me to the bone. So really want to tidy up this entryway, and I want to just get it clean and a little bit of spotless. I have a closet right there that I'm going to be doing something to. What? I don't know. I may actually paint that black. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Because my steps are black. The edges of my steps are black, and I'm going to go over that and finish that as well. This is the area that I want to tackle. And I've showed you guys this before because I was actually in the process of doing my steps and I had to stop because my daughter got sick and I wound up having to take care of her. So this project has been in process for a while. But right now I want to tidy this up and get this out of the way. I want to put a little gallery wall, and I just want to make it, you know, just really nice and neat and clean and not look like it's in construction all day, every day. So let me just show you what it looks like from the opposite direction. Bam! It looks like this. And yes, don't mind those packages. So I want to tidy up this whole entire entryway. I'm going to remove everything after I drink my tea. I have a little spot of tea, and then we're going to get straight into it, guys. So if you're in for this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow along because this might be in a few different parts. And I just wanted to show you what we were working with today. And yeah, this is going to be something big for me. I might actually do this wall first because I just want to see this wall actually completed and painted, and I'll let you guys know. But yes, this will be the first part of the entryway that I'm going to tackle. So stay tuned, you guys. First thing I like to do is take a couple of pictures of the spaces that I'm going to be decorating, only so I can see it in paper form, and then kind of go to my Pinterest boards and just look at other pictures that inspire me. Then I decorate from there. Now, like I said, my entryway needed a makeover. So this is what it looked like before. So the next step is to really switch around the photos, the printouts, and just to see what area really needs the most work. And because this is the focal point really of the entryway when you step in through my door, which would be this area right here. You see this wall, and then so really and truly I'm kind of like giving you a 360 idea of what areas I'm gonna paint, and I think it really helps you when you're not really an interior decorator for you to see the spaces that you're going to decorate. But now once you have these spaces already printed out, you kind of have an idea of what you're going to do in each space. You want to just make a quick list of some things that you need to do's for decorating or making over or refreshing your particular space. Now, I like to, scribble or whatever. I like to add titles. That's what it's going to be titled. It really is colors. I have the black moldings, the brown steps, whitish cream color. And so I did apply the Dollar Tree and I did not like it. My son was like, "Mommy, that looks like an old lady's house." I actually like decorating, planning, and decorating in and out of the space just to see what works. And so I found this pattern that really and truly, this is like a mood board just in larger form. And so I like it this way because it gives me a feel of the space when I'm not technically in the space. Pictures on your phone, but actually not just have tangible items that you can pick up when you're decorating, only because it makes it a little bit more. The first thing I'm going to do is actually remove this heater cover, and I'm going to take this outside and spray paint this because I actually want it to be black. All right, so I'm going to take this out. It just comes right off. And I'm going to take this bad boy and spray paint this outside and let this dry, because this will be... Step 4 is very important. You want to make sure that your paint is mixed very well and that the colors are exactly what you want them to be, especially with paint that's been sitting for a while. Now, I know you're supposed to do your trim very last, but because the black color is something new for me to use, I wanted to see it on the wall as I painted the white as well. So yes, I am working kind of backwards. I needed to cover up the spaces that weren't already painted on the trim just to see what I was working with and be okay with that. So, you know, sometimes you have to work a little backwards to get to where you're going. Now, if you notice, there are some toes hanging off the side top of those steps. That is my son watching me paint and asking me questions about his virtual learning homework. And so painting while parenting was 101.
Let me bring this down just a little bit. I hope you can hear me. I have the fan on. We just painted this wall back here, the ceiling a little bit, and the frame of the door. And right away you could tell there's a huge difference because of just the colors of this versus this. This is definitely a nice, rich and creamy white. And I forgot to make... Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm actually coming to you on video because I am going to be working on this side of the wall right now. And I took a little break because first my ankle was hurting, so I was like, let me take a break. So I'm just wanting to hurry up and, you know, move to the next step, and I'm being impatient. So what I'm gonna do is I have these 2 rolls of Dollar Tree vinyl. And this is gonna act like our faux wallpaper, and I'm gonna install that right here just to give this space a little bit of texture and to blend in the black, the brown, and the white, because I can't really paint my steps, so I'm taking a chance because I painted these. But I wanted to draw in some of that texture and color, and I've really been wanting to use this vinyl from Dollar Tree. So I am going to get started with that. Doesn't work. Like yesterday in this space, I applied that Dollar Tree, the black and white rose vinyl, and I thought it was going to be pretty, but it was too much. So guys, I'm a little tossed up about the Dollar Tree vinyl on that space under the steps. I don't know if I like it or not. So I'm going to go with something else possibly that may work a little bit better. And I'll kind of just show you a screenshot of what that looks like in the next slide. So guys, make sure you head over to my Instagram. I'm going to put up a poll to see which wall covering you think you like the best. I'm also probably going to need you guys' help with creating a gallery wall, so stay tuned for that. There, and yeah guys, I'm so excited to bring you along for the journey, so stay tuned.